Mix strawberries with rice, and the result will surprise you. To start, grab the strawberries. And here's an important tip. Clean each one really well. Remove the leaves gently, one by one, no rush. This care makes all the difference in the final flavor. While you're cleaning them, tell me, have you ever made juice with rice before? Sounds unusual, right? But trust me, the result is amazing. With the strawberries cleaned, transfer them to a container. Now add half a cup of rice. That's right, rice. It's the secret to that thicker, slightly creamy texture. Now let's take this mixture to a pot, because it's time to cook. Add enough water to fully cover the ingredients. No need to overdo it, just enough to cover. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes. During this time, the rice will become very soft and release starch, which is what gives this juice its special consistency. And the strawberries will release all their color and flavor, you'll see. Once it's cooked, transfer everything to a blender. You can add it all in, no need to waste anything. Blend for a few minutes until you get a smooth mixture. Here's the key step. Add water gradually while blending. This helps adjust the texture to your liking. If you want it extra refreshing, you can use cold water. Keep blending until it's completely smooth with a nice, even texture. Now it's time to adjust the flavor. Add sugar to taste. If you like it sweeter, add a bit more. If you prefer it lighter, add less. It's totally up to you. After adding the sugar, blend again briefly to mix everything well. And that's it! Your strawberry rice juice is ready. Transfer it to a nice pitcher. When serving, pour into glasses. And for an extra refreshing touch, finish with ice cubes. It's different, simple, and full of flavor. Once you try it, you won't forget it. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever made a juice like this? Or is this your first time?